Ano ba ibig sabihin ng pagkakaibigan? Ito ba yung magbubulag-bulagan ka? Pag meron kang kaibigan, may masamang ginagawa. Ito ba yung pag-iwas sa katotohanan?
Eat Bulaga, Lenten Reflections. Sa Lunes, April 17, isang istorya ng pagkakaibigan na sinubok ng pagkakataon. Itinatampok sina Anjo Eliana.
Alam naman natin na walang katapusan tong gulong to hanggang di natin na itatama yung tama.
Dennis Padilla.
Mabuti pa nung araw pa, tinuruan ka na namin ng leksyon.
Sherilyn Reyes.
Dahil alam mong si Louie ang klase ng taong hindi tumatanggap ng pagkakamali.
At Francis Magalona.
Magkampi-kampi kayo, okay lang. Ako naman talagang may kasalanan eh.
Sa palabas na, isang iglap.
Marami tayong ginagawa para protektado siya sa sakit. Pero para panatagal loob nyo, mag-multivitamins Enervon C+. May tamang kombinasyon ng bitamina, pampalakas ng kanyang resistensya. Enervon C+, proteksyon kontra sakit.
B-E-A-M means smile. Smile kami pag-beam. Beam na beam, ngipin protektado. Panalo sa presyo, panalo pag-beam. Ikaw ako, dito tayo. Ngiting panalo, panalo pag-beam.
At para panalo sa dental care, New Beam Toothbrush.
It's so nice to be here in New Zealand. The air is so fresh. The water so clean. The cows eat fresh green grass. And their milk becomes Anchor Milk. Guaranteed by New Zealand Dairy Board.
I'll be a software designer. In demand yan. So I need computer-based education.
Ako, engineer. At sa on-the-job training pa lang, may edge na ako.
Cyber Cafe owner. Yung course ko sa AMA, magagamit ko.
One school prepares the youth for the future.
AMA Computer College. May global affiliations to. Premier education partner pa ng Microsoft.
Kaya ang education, world-class.
AMA Computer College. Start your future here.
Ate Josie, hain na. Oops, mantel ko na yan. Kasi parehong puti. Magsing linis pa. Mamahalin din ang powder mo? Hindi. Ang gamit ko, Surf Powder.
Sa linis, may makikita bang pagkakaiba sa linis ng mas mahal na powder?
Pero mas sulit to. 120 grams, 5 pesos lang. Kaya para sa pamilya, may extra budget pa. May dessert pa tayo.
Wow! Buko sala!
Surf Powder!
Mula sa Unilever.
Meron pa?
Ako, ayoko ng mabagal. Gusto ko mabilis. Kaya pagdating sa hyperacidity, gusto ko si Meko. Tandaan, si Meko. Sa hyperacidity, mas magaling ang mas mabilis.
In a perfect world, there is no diarrhea, no typhoid fever, no cholera to harm your family. But reality bites. Make your world just a bit closer to being perfect. When it comes to drinking water, give them pure and safe Wilkins distilled drinking water. Because nobody cares for your family like Wilkins.
Kahit marami instant dyan, iba pa rin ang spaghetti ko. Madali lang. Heat Del Monte Spaghetti Sauce. Add corned beef, pour on spaghetti.
Sarap.
Spaghetti made easy.
Having a hard time with your studies? Exhausted by the end of the day? Nakakulang kayo sa iron. Here's Regain, the healthy snack chips made for us ladies. Fortified with enough iron that helps improve a teen's mental performance and regain a woman's peak physical stamina. Each pack contains 1/3 of our RDA for iron as well as vitamin A, folic acid, and iodine, exacted by the Department of Health. We're glad there's Regain. Regain, healthy snacks specially for ladies.
So, let's talk about makeup and lipstick. Let's talk about pink and powder, men, mascara, perfume, and how much a sane person should actually spend on lingerie. Let's talk about how we love to shop, really love to shop, but don't have time to shop. Let's talk about finding some help around here. A beauty expert, an Avon lady, someone to talk to, woman to woman, heart to heart. Let's talk about beauty and the future and getting by with a little help from our friends. Let's talk Avon.
New Patron XCS Plus Valve Master. World proven to lubricate and protect valve seats. It's the superior replacement for lead. Old and new cars get high-octane performance and advanced protection. Let it guess just lost its lead. New Patron XCS Plus Valve Master. Fearless power.
Para sa mga mommies na patuloy na nagbibigay proteksyon sa kanilang mga little darlings, pwede kayong manalo ng appliances sa Tips ni Mommy Raffle Promo. Tuwing Sabado ay may isang mananalo ng appliances. Simple lang ang dapat gawin. Sa likod ng 120, 250, or 500 ml empty carton ng Enervon C Plus Syrup, isulat ang inyong proteksyong kontra sakit tip. Name, address, telephone number, and signature. Ipadala ang inyong mga entries sa Probus Unilab, 4th floor, Bonaventure Plaza, Ortigas Avenue, Green Hills, San Juan, Manila. O ihulog sa mga drop boxes sa mga leading drugstores nationwide. Start sending your entries at manalo sa Tips ni Mommy Raffle Promo. Hatid ng Enervon C Plus Syrup. Proteksyong kontra sakit.
Dalawang munting kahilingan na may umagang daratnan. Samahan sina Shara Soto
Ano lang siya mamatay, Ma.
at Miss Hilda Coronel. Sa istorya ni Laila at sina Chat Silayan,
Magbibigay ka ba o hindi?
Pen Medina
Masyado ka na inaagrabyado ng mga kapatid mo eh.
at Katya Santos.
Desidido ako makatapos ng pag-aaral, ganun din naman po siya.
Sa kwento ni Mang Boy, dalawang hiling sa may umagang darating. Sa Itbulagas, Lenten Reflections.
Pag may lagnat ang bata, takot sa gamot. Kaya bago nang bigay ni Doc, Neo Aspilets. Neo Aspilets, pambatang paracetamol. Sabi ni Doc, mas ligtas kaysa dati niyang gamot.
Sarap!
Sabihin Neo Aspilets, mas ligtas.
Ang cute mo.
O dapat hinihilot na maigi yan ha, para maski sa kay tatay.
Kuya, panahon pa ni Kopong-Kopong yan. Ang sabi nga sa klinik, ang kalusugan ng bata nasa gatas din.
Bagong Alactamil, may calcium at vitamin D, sabay na nangangalaga pampatibay ng buto at ngipin. Para sa malusog na baby.
Uy, ang lakas ng flying kick.
Kitang-kita ang ebidensya. Breast milk is best for babies up to 2 years.
Hey, beer drinkers, your light beer is here. New San Mig Light, the low-calorie beer. You get the full beer flavor, same beer alcohol, but it's less filling. With San Mig Light, nothing is compromised. It has everything you want and nothing you don't.
It's time to lighten up, guys.
Huwag kawawain ng balat. Kung lamok ang kalaban. New from Vaseline Research, Vaseline Mosquito Repellent Lotion with Triple Lipid Complex. Feels smooth on skin. Mabango. Doble ang protection nito. Kaya ang lamok walang laban. Healthy skin mo, inaalagaan. Vaseline Mosquito Repellent Lotion. No mosquitoes. Yes to healthy skin from Unilever.
Now's the time for a new you. Time to shine so bright. Don't let anything stop you. Let it feel so right.
Now you can set your spirit free. Introducing Modest Spirit with a unique 4-wall protection.
Live your life worry-free. Set your spirit free.
give your heart a better start. Introducing Quaker Oatmeal Porridge with real meat and vegetables. It has more soluble fiber for a healthy heart and more protein to keep you strong. Quaker Oatmeal Porridge. Your heart will thank you for it. Which of these give your heart a better start? Introducing Quaker Oatmeal Porridge with real meat and vegetables. It has more soluble fiber for a healthy heart and more protein to keep you strong. Quaker Oatmeal Porridge. Your heart will thank you for it.
Hi! Panatag ng loob ko ever since nagkaroon ng Pipo and Nico Snack Chips sa kantin ng kanilang school.
Introducing Pipo and Nico Snack Chips, the snack food fortified with essential micronutrients for healthier body, brighter eyes, and sharper brain. Has the Sangkap Pinoy seal of the DOH.
Ah, sarap!
Pipo and Nico, ito ang snack chips na nakakalusog at nakakabusog. Pipo and Nico Snack Chips, the first ever snack food accepted by the DOH and DEX.
Pain. Pain-free exfoliation for sensitive skin? How?
New Extraderm Light with phytoplanolone for peeling you can't see. That's pain-free. Extraderm Light. Skin reborn in a whole new light.
When your body eats the calcium in your bones, osteoporosis happens. Drink Calciumade, the high-calcium orange juice drink that helps prevent osteoporosis. Calciumade. Calcium made great. Now available at 15% price off.
Sa trabaho ni Diego, isip at katawan ng puhunan. At pagod ang palaging kalaban. Kaya araw-araw, pinapapaunan ko siya ng pampabuhay.
Revicon, sagana sa vitamina, mineral at iron. Buhay ang dugo, buhay ang lakas. Laban sa araw-araw na pagod. Revicon, buhay ang dugo, buhay ang lakas.